Hi friends! Welcome to Color Buddies. Let's draw something super fun together. Can you guess what it will be? Let's start drawing. First, we'll make a big oval shape. That will be the main part of our flying friend's body. Now we draw a long, curved shape on top and a line up. Great! That's where the spinning blades go! You're doing amazing! Here comes your first clue. This amazing vehicle can fly in one place without moving forward, kind of like floating in the sky. Can you guess what it is? Time to add the last details. The windows. Ready for another clue? This machine is often used in rescue missions and lands on hospital rooftops. Getting warmer? Landing rails. And that little tail rotor in the back. It's really coming together. Almost there. And we're done with the outline. Very well done. It's a helicopter. Look how awesome it turned out. What color do you think we'll use to paint the main body of the helicopter? Here's a hint. It's the color of grapes and magic potions. Is it red, purple, or yellow? Yes, purple. Let's color the helicopter's body purple. Now, what color do you think we'll use for the propellers? It's the same color as the sun and smiley faces. Blue, orange, or yellow? That's right, orange. Let's paint the propellers. Orange. Now we'll color the windows with a soft sky blue. Wow, that makes it look super friendly. You're doing a fantastic job, little artist. Look at all those bright colors. It's looking amazing already. And now, we're all done. Shall we turn it into a Play-Doh helicopter? Whoa! Look at that helicopter! It's so bouncy and colorful. It looks like it's ready to take off and go on an adventure. Great work, superstar! What vehicle should we draw next? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and come back for more. Color Buddies!